Hey, it's new knife day. What do we have here? All right. Well, what I'm going to do is get out this O-knife from the makers of O-Light. Got a video on this too coming up. Happy with it so far. It's beautiful, actually. That OAL, it's their proprietary aluminum handle. Really nice. So stay tuned on this knife. More on that later. What's in this box? I think I know. And I think it's from eBay. There's a reason it's from eBay, and there we go. So I see the eBay invoice. The reason this particular knife is purchased off of eBay is because there isn't a huge partner or reseller network. You're not going to find them everywhere. And so let's crack this open. Let's see what the brand is. Dreamtech D3897MBL. All right, so like I said, I got this off eBay. You know, the trick on eBay is you put it in your cart and you wait, because oftentimes that seller is going to send you an offer, 5% off, 10% off, something. Sometimes it's even automated, so you'll get an even better deal than you thought you were getting. A little bit of extra hardware, some swag, stickers, Dreamtech logo. All right. Another cleaning cloth. Boy, these are adding up. Business card, customer service information. All right, and then a little sticker slash template. Okay, good enough. What's this guy look like? So this handle is, you're about to see, blue and black micarta. And the first thing that pops out is that big pivot cover there. I mean, it's huge. It looks like it's as wide as a nickel. Yeah. Right. Decent size clip. Some jimping. All right. Let's get this open. That blade is a D2 blade, so it's not the most expensive in the world. Really nice looking blade, and just like any other new knife oil thing. Let's cut some paper. Let's see how that factory grind is. All right. Good enough for me. Razor sharp? I don't know. Sharp, yeah. Let's see how this cuts through this irrigation tubing, which is less rubber and more plastic than anything. So it's a flexible plastic. It's usually a good test. Let's see if we can slice through this. Okay. And then vertical chop. All right. Right through. All right. So far, so good. Good looking knife. Dark. You know, that dark blue on black and some gray. And what we got here? Navy blue lanyard. I don't know. It might work. This, no, it's more of like a desert army type camo. Red. No, I don't think that's going to work either. Yeah, there's no red there. Does not pull that knife together. Oh, okay. This might work. It's funny how that gray lanyard works with so many knives. Orange. Yeah, that's a maybe. Big maybe. Yellow. I don't know. Or is that chartreuse? Army green, which works a lot. It's not going to work in this situation. Yeah, they're black. You know, all there is some black in this knife. I don't think that's going to work either. And then red. No, I don't see it happening. I tell you what, I didn't think that was going to work. That's a maybe. So that's cyan or light blue. That's a maybe. Yellow, I don't know, maybe. And like a sort of like a khaki, light yellow. That's also a maybe. So these three are the finalists. What do you think? I've made up my mind.
20 minutes later.
Again, that gray and silver bead just works with this knife.
Like and subscribe to watch more EDC knife unboxings. Thanks for watching.